The Republican Liberty Caucus of Washington is proud to present this brief description and history of the RLC. Why the RLC? Do you believe that we need to turn America back to the nation of liberty she once was under the Constitution? Do you agree that the GOP has lost its way? Would you like to help us turn both around? You can. We are the Republican Liberty Caucus of Washington State, an action committee of people just like you who know and understand that we were endowed with certain unalienable rights by our Creator. We will work tirelessly to replace any politician who does not defend and support those rights and liberties. We are committed to educating our friends, neighbors, and fellow citizens about those same rights and liberties and what they can do themselves to protect them. Barry Goldwater once said, "Extremism in the defense of liberty is no vice, and moderation in the pursuit of justice is no virtue." Founded in 1991, the Republican Liberty Caucus works to advance the principles of limited government, free markets, and individual liberty within the Republican Party. The Republican Liberty Caucus of Washington State was chartered in 2012, and our membership consists of farmers, ranchers, business owners, stay-at-home moms, and other everyday people just like you. Our Washington State kickoff in January ended up being a huge success with standing room only. We had more than 160 attendees and we're growing every day. The RLC of King County is one of our state's largest chapters, and more county chapters are joining all across the state. Join us today and become a part of the change you wish to see in the world.
Yes, I know